Heavy rainfall, landslides, and flash floods wreak havoc in Uttarakhand. Citizens are left homeless and scurrying for safety. The hilly state has plunged into a sea of misery. Several roads have been cut off due to flash floods. Landslides have blocked the exits in the town. The Uttarakhand rain fury has left a trail of despair in the lives of people for the past few days. Several people are missing. Nainital Lake is overflowing and has flooded the streets. These dramatic scenes from the hilly state make us wonder what has changed that led to such widespread destruction. Heavy and unprecedented rains over the past few days have broken all records in Uttarakhand. The entire state is paralyzed in just 3 days and has claimed nearly 50 lives so far. Experts blame climate change as the main culprit behind the surreal weather changes in Uttarakhand. Experts also warn that the intensity of rains in the state is alarming and needs immediate attention of the authorities. As flash floods and landslides in Uttarakhand cause untold destruction and chaos, the Integrated Health and Well-being Council Director Kamal Narayan urges India to take solid steps to avert more dangers in the future. IHW Council warns that there is a steady rise in adverse climate events in the country and it will only worsen in the coming days. Multiple hydel power projects, population growth, illegal mining activities and deforestation have destroyed the ecological balance in Uttarakhand. Experts blame human factors for self-destruction. According to the surveys conducted by the Forest Survey of India, the hilly state hasn't reported even 1% of increase in forest cover over the past 4 years. Cutting trees for developmental projects, cutting hills for roads, and mining riverbeds, all these factors are contributing to weather changes in Uttarakhand. Nature's fury in Uttarakhand has not only claimed people's lives, but also snatched away their livelihoods and their homes, leaving them helpless. Several family members have lost their loved ones due to heavy rainfall. Several bridges have also been swept away due to swirling waters. Highways including Rishikesh-Badrinath have been shut down, trapping several pilgrims. The Met Department predicts more rainfall in the coming days and warns citizens to evacuate to safer places. But is there any solution to mitigate the drastic climate change? Experts suggest that specific warning systems must be installed and a proactive approach to tackle the rapidly decreasing natural habitat must be taken.